In our provider query code, let's write the case for a single task with ID. To select a row of data by its ID, we'll use the selection and Selectionargs parameters of the query method. First, we'll have to get the row ID from the passed-in URI. The URI will look similar to the tasks directory URI. It'll start with the same scheme, authority, and tasks path, but this time also with an ID as the last part of the path. And we can grab this ID by using a call to get path segments on that URI, and get with the index 1 passed in. Index 0 would be the tasks portion of the path, and index 1 is the segment right next to that. And I'll store this ID in a string variable named ID. Then let's create our selection and Selectionargs for this ID. I'll create variables mSelection and mSelectionargs to hold these values. The selection will be the string _ID equals ? And this is just the default name of the ID column, _ID, in our tasks table, followed by an equal sign and a question mark. The question mark indicates that this is asking for the rest of this equality from the Selectionargs parameter. And the Selectionargs should be the row ID, which we just got from the passed-in URI. And Selectionargs has to be an array of strings, even if it's an array with just one value in it. So again, our selection is the string of the ID column, followed by an equals and a question mark. And our Selectionargs is an array that holds the value of the row ID. And finally, we'll put this selection and the Selectionargs into the same query code we used before, this time with the desired row ID criteria. That completes this task with ID case, and you can change these selection parameters to filter any of the data you return.